I have with me here the IDINO Notebook 7 tablet, and I'm about to unbox it, and it promises to be 5G. Also comes with an inbuilt earbuds and then a smartwatch. How true is that? Now, first impressions out of the box, the package looks really heavy. I want to unbox it with all of you so that we see how it is and my first impressions and whatever is in the box. So this is my cutter here. Let's unbox it together. Wow, so this is the whole package I have with me here. This is the warranty card which it comes with. I have the straps for the smartwatch with which it promises to come with on the box. And then this, I think, is the smartwatch itself. And then the IDINO AirPods that it comes with. So let me just place it in just like it is. This is the actual tablet, and as you can see, it feels a little bit heavy and it looks a little bit premium, which I'll get back to in a minute. Now let's see the remaining things inside the box. So we are looking at the remaining things inside the box. Now, as you can see, there is a box in a box and it has this case in it. I really like the brown color with which it comes with. I think this is the case, and then also this has the keyboard in it. But let me unwrap it and see what it actually entails. Yes, so this is the leather case with which it comes with, and as you can see, it has a very, very good finish. And then also there is a keyboard here, and then this is the case with which it comes with. So that is the leather covering or the leather case for it. Let's put that aside and look at the notebook itself. Now, as you can see, it has this glossy finishing to it with this nice layout of the cameras and everything. Let me peel off the sticker and power it on for the first time. Wow, that's so satisfying. So first impression, let me switch it on for the first time. So I'm powering it on for the first time to see what it entails. Wow, IDINO Delight Ever, powered by Android Go Edition. So we just wait for it to finish powering on and we take it from there. Wow. This takes quite a long time, because if you are in an emergency and you want to switch on your phone to do something, for this to run for like 1 minute, it's something that isn't good. So this is its first reboot. I have to, and then these are the apps that it comes with. As you can see, it comes with some preload apps already that you can also use. So it has this preload apps, and as you can see, there is the Google Play Store here that you can use to download other applications as well. Now let me go into the settings to check about this phone. Okay, so about tablet, as you can see, Notebook 7, Android 12. I think it was made in October 5. Okay, so memory here is 774 megabytes used of 8 gigabytes of memory, and then this one we have used 720 of 512 gigabytes. Now for somebody into media like graphic design and video editing, this is some huge storage. 512 gigabytes and then 8 gigabytes of RAM. I think it's also very good.